Ito nga pala yung dinner namin, chicken pie. Ayan, may carrots at saka green peas at meron na rin corn sa loob at saka yung chicken. At saka yan yung itlog na nabatil at ito naman yung itlog na ilalagay natin sa top. Tapos ito yung pastry, guys. Yan. Ginunting-gunting ko na yung pastry. Lalagay ko sa ibabaw mamaya yan. At syempre, ayan, yung mga prutas namin mamaya. Nakat ko na rin siya, guys. Kaya ito yung dinner namin mamaya. Healthy. Yan, guys. Chicken pie. Gumawa ko ng chicken pie. Ayan. Madali lang siyang lutuin, guys, yung chicken pie. Kaya kung gusto nyong gumawa or magluto na kayo ng chicken pie, guys. Masarap to. Ayan. Ito lang yung ingredients. Chicken, carrot, green peas, at saka yung nilagang itlog, at saka yung pastry. At syempre, may prutas kami mamaya dito. Ayan.
Break us of food. Can I try with you?
Okay, you try one only. Okay, yan guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, marami kaming prutas ngayon. Thank you for watching. Oh, why? Enough already. Don't eat too much. Later, you cannot eat your dinner. You understand?